Hello, my darlings. It's so nice to see you again. Guess what holiday is coming? Da 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 da. Absolutely right. It's St. Patrick's Day is coming. So that's why I was thinking about showing you some green makeup looks. So please stay tuned and we're gonna just start in a second. Okay, girls, so first of all, I'm going to apply Scotch tape to prevent us from eyeshadow falls. Then I'm going to take yellow eyeshadow, and which is, as you can see, it's a glossy eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to apply it first to the inside corner of my eye. If you're noticing, after this, I'm going for green, lighter green color of the eyeshadow, and I'm placing it in the middle part of my eye as well as the middle part of my lid. And after this, I am blending, blending, and blending. As you know, you can use any eyeshadows what you have. Just try to choose the yellow, light green, and darker green. As you know, I just took the darker green and I'm placing it on the more towards the outside edge of my eye. Then I'm taking yellow and I'm going with the same yellow color and I'm trying to place it above all the colors that I just placed before. I'm using the lighter green to put on the bottom part of my eye, as well as the darker green more on the bottom outside line of my eye. Then I'm taking my eyeliner and I'm going to do some winged eyeliner look. As you notice, I'm working more in the corners of my eyes. I'm trying to make it a little bit more exaggerated eyeliner look, because it's a holiday and I would like to make it more fancy. And let's go for it. I decided to go for it all the way. So I bought this in Michael's, and by using the lashes glue, I apply this nice shamrocks on my face. And voila, this is the final St. Patrick's makeup look. I hope you like it, girls. And please subscribe to my channel so we can create more makeups together. And I'm so happy. I'm gonna sing for you Happy St. Patrick's Day. Okay, I'm not a singer, so that's why I'm gonna put myself on mute here, and believe me, you don't wanna make me sing. Thank you, girls, and enjoy yourself. Happy St. Patrick's Day.